Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable safe search in your Android phone. Now to enable safe search, at first you have to open up your browser. In my phone, default browser is Google Chrome. So if I open Google Chrome browser and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display, then go to settings option. After that scroll down a bit and then go to privacy and security, and then scroll down again, and here you can see safe browsing option. Then just tap here. Now here you can see three options of safe search: enhanced protection, standard protection, and no protection. Now if you want to enable your safe browsing, you have to just select enhanced protection from here, and it's done. Now you can see in my phone safe browsing has been enabled successfully. Safe browsing option will protect you from harmful website, so I suggest you to enable it always. And that is how you can enable safe search in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.